So let me show you how to turn on Samsung Find on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and also how to turn it off in case for one reason or another you want to turn it off. So there are two ways to do this. You can either go to the Samsung app folder and find the Find app. Here it is. Tap on it and then hit continue. Of course, you have to be signed into your Samsung account and then hit continue, and then it's going to ask you if you want to turn on the option to find your devices even when they're offline. You want to turn that on. Now, notification when someone views your location. So Samsung Find lets you share your location with other people, and if you choose to share your location with someone, you'll get a notification every time they view a map that includes your location. So you can choose to have these notifications maybe every time, or every 10 days, or every 30 days, depending on yourself. And that's it. So I'm going to tap on allow for notifications while using the app. Samsung Find needs to access to your location all the time. So I'm going to go to settings and allow all the time. That's the permission for my location all the time. And there is Samsung Find. It's really that simple to set it up. And it's important to set it up because if you forget your tablet somewhere or you lose it somewhere, then you can be able to use Samsung Find to find it. And you can also go to devices and see all your Galaxy devices and their location on a map. So for instance, you can see this one is right here. You can see where the Galaxy Tab A11 is, my Galaxy A17 5G. You can see the location of all your devices on a map. And if you lose a device and you're trying to find it, you can tap on the ring button and that's going to make that device ring. Or you can open it up, navigate to where it is, or even check the battery level. You can just do so much stuff, or you can turn on lost mode for that particular tablet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.